Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're looking at Boost Mobile and what they have to offer for new customers. As you can see right here, new customer offer 1 full year for $100, guys. Yes, $100 for a full year, 12 months right there. That's pretty crazy. So let's go ahead and look into it, guys. But yes, that's 1 full year for $100. New customers offer unlimited talk and text plus 1 gig of data. So right off the bat, you guys can see that this, it sounds, a lot of people like, does sound too good to be true. Maybe. And of course, there are some requirements and downsides to this. Of course, one of the requirements is it has to be for new customers only. So if you're a current customer, you cannot get this offer unless you start a new line of service with Boost Mobile, which means a new number and just start doing it all over again. So 1 full year for $100, guys. Like I said, this is really targeted, like I said, for someone that doesn't use your phone at all, or much at all, should I say, or someone that has Wi-Fi and barely connects on the internet. Even though, like I said, 1 gig is fairly low, I wouldn't. I'll probably blow through that in less than a week, honestly. But like I said, maybe if you're older or younger and you barely get on the internet, maybe just to I don't know, check emails or get a couple MMS or picture messages, then it would be probably perfect for you. But yeah, 1 year for $100, guys. It's 1 gig of data. For me personally, I wouldn't take it, but like I said, there is a market for that customer. So it says when you activate your phone with Boost Mobile and pay for 1 year. So let's go ahead and click get it now. Here's the feature plans, and as you can see, Boost Mobile is doing the multi-plan discounts. I've done a couple videos of these. I don't know if you guys remember this, but I did a couple. It says more power to choose, more power to save. It says Boost has plans for every budget on America's largest 5G network. So remember, Boost Mobile is running off of T-Mobile's network, so just know that make sure you have good coverage in your area with T-Mobile. So here's the feature plans, guys. There's monthly, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. But these are the feature plans that they want to really push. Feature plans, these are our top plans picked just for you. So for $25 a month, which is not bad at all, guys, you get 5 gigs of data. You also get unlimited talk and text, 5 gigs of 5G/4G data, mobile hotspot, which is good, Now, of course, that will use your 5 gigs of data, so just be wary of that. New customers only, like I said. So if you're an existing customer, guys, this video is not for you. This is really targeting the new customer to come over to Boost Mobile. Now their main plan right here, guys, that they are pushing the whole $100 a month. I did the math. It's like $99 and like 96 cents or something like that. It comes out to be. So it says 1 gigabyte per month. It's going to be $8.33 a month. $100 for 12 months of service, guys. There's the deal I was just talking about. It says unlimited talk and text, 1 gig of 5G/4G data, mobile hotspot, and new customers only. Like I said, this plan is not going to be for everybody. Probably majority of people, but there's possibly a market out there for someone that just needs a simple phone. There's a customer base there. Not as big as unlimited data, but there is a customer base. The best value is going to be a 2 gigabyte per month, $15 a month plan. That's not something new, guys. The Boost Mobile's had this plan for a while. For $15 a month, you get 2 gigs of data. You get unlimited talk, text, and you also get, of course, 2 gigs of data, mobile hotspot, and new customers only. So, like I said, it's going to be, whoops, wrong thing. Here it is. So, new customers only. 2 gigs. Like I said, this is the plan that they're really trying to push right here. Like I said, it is $100, for 12 months of service. Like I said, just be aware that 1 gig of data is what you're getting. I would personally think this is a better deal right here, guys. $25 a month would get you 5 gigs of data. That'd be plenty for most of the people. Still same new customers only, and you get access to that. Now, if you're not a heavy user and you're like, say you got Wi-Fi everywhere, then I probably would say this one for a couple more dollars a month. It's not going to be 100, but what it is. So unclick here. Let's just say you chose this plan right here, which this is the one that Boost Mobile is trying to really push. So you choose the plan. And then there you go. It's going to take you to checkout, and you can fill all that out. And like I said, there you go. It's $100, guys, which is pretty nice. Let's see. Which is pretty nice. Sorry, guys, I had to pause it. But like I said, this is a plan that I chose, but there is multiple actually plans here, so you can get this one. They do have monthly. Like I said, they do have monthly plans. So 25 for 5 gigs, 2 gigs for 15, which it used to be $10, I believe, for 1 gig. You could also get unlimited. Remember, Boost Mobile does offer unlimited. Now, this unlimited is not for new customers only. It's $50 a month. You get unlimited talk, text, and also unlimited mobile data, so you can stream as much as you want, up to 35 gigs. Remember, Boost Mobile does cap you at 35 gigs. That's what they quote. It's unlimited data. It's 35 gigs, so just be worried about that. You do get 12 gigs of mobile hotspot. Of course, Boost Mobile also has an unlimited plus plan. $60 a month gets you unlimited talk, text, unlimited mobile data, 30 gigs of mobile hotspot, and unlimited calling to Mexico. So a lot of people, I think, that are heavy users probably want to go with this one. But like I said, they do have multiple. Plans. So they have the features, the monthly, the 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. They're really trying to push that. So for 3 months, they don't have anything just yet. So I'm guessing 3 and 6 months they don't have anything. I'm guessing these 2 plans, they will start getting more things coming their way pretty soon. So right now they just have the 12-month plan. I don't know. I just like to draw on this. But the 12 months, like I say, they do have the only current plan they have is the $8.33 a month or $100 for a whole year plan. And like I said, from there you can check out. So overall, it's pretty cool. I don't know who would take a full effect of this, but it's on T-Mobile's network. It is what it is. Like I said, just know that these plans are for new customers only. Not all of them, of course. The limited and limited plus, they do have unlimited data, and that's for everybody. Now it's, as you saw, guys, $8.33 or $100 for 12 months deal does not have the extras. But if you do an unlimited or the 60 unlimited plan, that you can get one gig recurring data pack for $5 a month, or 1 gig one-time pack. So these are just extra things that you can add on here, and then it'll come up with your total. But I don't think anybody really needs it because it's unlimited data. But remember, Boost Mobile gives you 35. But you know what I mean. Overall, I think it's a good deal for a lot of people that don't use their phone, but for the majority of people, I don't think 1 gig a month is going to be much. Like I said, you can blow through that in a YouTube session, probably, watching YouTube. So what I think, like I said, it has this customer base. Hopefully Boost Mobile is just probably targeting and testing out this multi-month promotion. So if you pay in bulk, if you buy bulk data or bulk plan, you get a discount, kind of like a Costco or Sam's Club. I think that's pretty cool if they did it with a 5 gig plan or something like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Would this be something that interests you, or is this something that you don't care about? Dragon Warfare sign off. If you want to support the channel, check out Honey. It's a free web browser extension, guys. Find your promo codes. Saves you money, especially right now with Black Friday going on. Check it out, description below. Install it in your Google Chrome browser. I get a small cut, and you save money in the long run. So check it out, guys.